Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there, beyond the familiar stars and planets of our own solar system? Well, astronomers just found something extraordinary, a brand new visitor from interstellar space. Get ready to meet Comet 3I ATLAS, the third known object from another star system to swing by our cosmic neighborhood. This isn't just any comet. Unlike the comets born in our solar system, which travel in predictable, repeating loops around the Sun, 3I ATLAS is on a one-way trip. Its path is what astronomers call hyperbolic, meaning it's just passing through. It came from the vast darkness between the stars, and after a brief hello, it will continue its journey back into that same darkness, never to return. So, where did it come from? By tracing its trajectory backwards, scientists have confirmed that its origins lie far, far beyond our Sun's gravitational grip. It's a true interstellar wanderer, a relic from a distant, unknown star system. Now, before you start building a bunker, let's be clear. Comet 3I ATLAS poses absolutely no threat to Earth. It's going to keep a very safe distance. At its closest point to us, it will be about 170 million miles away. That's nearly twice the distance between the Earth and the Sun, so we can all relax and simply enjoy the show from afar. This cosmic traveler was first spotted on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. ATLAS stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, a NASA-funded network of telescopes designed to scan the sky for potential threats. But this time, it found a guest, not a danger. After the initial discovery, astronomers dug into their archives and found even earlier images of the comet, with some pre-discovery sightings dating back to June 14, 2025. You might be wondering about its name. 3I ATLAS. Comets are usually named after their discoverers, so Atlas is for the survey team. The I stands for interstellar, and the 3 tells us it's the third such object ever confirmed. It follows in the footsteps of Oumuamua and Borisov, our previous interstellar visitors. What does it look like? The legendary Hubble Space Telescope gave us our first stunning close-up. On July 21, 2025, when the comet was still 277 million miles away, Hubble captured a remarkable image. It revealed a beautiful, teardrop-shaped cloud of dust and gas, known as a coma, streaming away from the comet's solid, icy core or nucleus. Because Hubble was locked onto the fast-moving comet, the distant background stars appear as long, colorful streaks, creating a truly dynamic and breathtaking portrait. One of the biggest questions scientists are trying to answer is, how big is it? Based on Hubble's observations, they've set an upper limit for the nucleus's diameter at about 3.5 miles. However, it could be much smaller, perhaps less than half a mile across. Continued observations will help them pin down a more precise size. The scientific community is buzzing with excitement. This is a rare opportunity to study a piece of another solar system right in our own backyard. And NASA is pulling out all the stops. An incredible fleet of spacecraft is being tasked to observe 3I ATLAS. We're talking about the James Webb Space Telescope, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, the Swift Observatory, and even our rovers on Mars. Perseverance and Curiosity will be pointing their cameras to the Martian sky to catch a glimpse. Even missions currently traveling through the solar system, like Europa Clipper, Lucy, and Psyche, will turn their instruments toward the comet. The Parker Solar Probe, which flies incredibly close to the Sun, will also get a unique perspective. It's an all-hands-on-deck effort to learn everything we can. Each telescope and spacecraft offers a different piece of the puzzle, observing in different wavelengths of light, helping us understand the comet's composition, its temperature, and how much gas and dust it's shedding. So, when is the best time to see it? For those with powerful ground-based telescopes, the comet should be visible through September 2025. After that, it will get too close to the Sun in our sky, lost in its glare. But the show isn't over. Its closest approach to the Sun, called perihelion, will happen around October 30th, 2025. At that point, it will be about 130 million miles from the Sun, just inside the orbit of Mars. Then we wait. By early December 2025, it will reappear on the other side of the Sun. allowing a new round of observations as it begins its long journey out of our solar system. Studying 3I Atlas is about more than just a single comet. It's a chance to understand the building blocks of other planetary systems. Is the water ice in this comet similar to ours? Are the organic molecules it carries the same ones found in our own solar system? Answering these questions can tell us if the ingredients for life are common throughout the galaxy. Each interstellar object is a messenger, carrying secrets from its home star. This is a perfect example of why we explore space. It's not just about finding dangers. It's about discovery, curiosity, and our collective quest to understand our place in the universe. An object that has traveled for millions, maybe even billions of years through the silent void of space is now, for a fleeting moment, within our reach. So what exactly is this visitor? 31TLAS is an interstellar comet, a frozen chunk of ice and rock that was born around a distant, unknown star. For billions of years, it has been drifting through the vast emptiness of interstellar space, a lonely traveler on an epic journey across the Milky Way, and now, by sheer cosmic chance, its path has crossed ours. Our very own Hubble Space Telescope has been keeping a close eye on this guest. Thanks to Hubble's incredible vision, astronomers are getting a clearer picture of what this comet is made of. They've been able to estimate the size of its solid, icy heart, known as the nucleus. The latest data suggests its diameter is at most 3.5 miles, or 5.6 kilometers across. To give you some perspective, that's roughly the length of a small city. However, it could be as tiny as 1,000 feet, about the size of a large skyscraper. Even for Hubble, seeing the nucleus directly is impossible right now. It's like trying to spot a speck of dust from miles away. It's shrouded in a glowing cloud of gas and dust called a coma. But Hubble saw more than just a fuzzy blob. It captured stunning images of a plume of dust being ejected from the comet. As 3I-ATLAS gets closer to our Sun, it warms up, causing its ices to turn directly into gas, a process called sublimation. This process blasts dust off the surface, creating the beautiful coma and tail that we associate with comets. Hubble even spotted the beginning of a dust tail streaming away from the nucleus. Interestingly, the rate at which it's losing dust is very similar to comets born right here in our own solar system. This tells us that the basic physics of comets might be universal, whether they're from our neighborhood or a galaxy far, far away. The most jaw-dropping thing about 3I Atlas is its speed. It's traveling at a staggering 130,000 miles per hour. That's over 209,000 kilometers per hour. To put that into context, it's fast enough to travel from New York to Los Angeles in just over a minute. This incredible velocity is the smoking gun that proves it's not from around here. An object from our solar system simply wouldn't be moving that fast. Its breathtaking speed is a result of its long, long journey. Over billions of years, as it passed by countless stars and nebulae, it received tiny gravitational nudges, like a cosmic slingshot, each one adding a little more momentum, ratcheting up its speed over eons. The longer it traveled, the faster it got. So, where did it come from? That's the billion-dollar question, and the honest answer is, we don't know. David Jewett, the lead scientist for the Hubble observations, put it perfectly. He said trying to trace its origin is like glimpsing a rifle bullet for 1,000th of a second. You can't project that back with any accuracy to figure out where it started. Its path is so long and has been influenced by so many unknown gravitational forces that pinpointing its home star is currently impossible. It's a true cosmic mystery. 31ATLAS was first spotted on July 1, 2025. By a system appropriately named TLAS, which stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. This NASA-funded program at the University of Hawaii is designed to scan the sky for near-Earth objects, but this time it found something from much, much farther away. At the time of its discovery, the comet was about 420 million miles from the Sun, already deep within our solar system. The discovery of 3I-ATLAS following Oumuamua and Borisov is a game-changer. It suggests that our galaxy is teeming with these wandering relics. As David Jewett noted, we're likely seeing the tip of the iceberg of a previously undetected population of objects. We're finding them now because our technology has finally caught up. Powerful sky survey telescopes like Atlas are scanning the heavens with unprecedented detail, allowing us to cross a new threshold in astronomical discovery. We're no longer just studying our own solar system. We're getting glimpses of the building blocks of other star systems. And the investigation is far from over. NASA isn't just relying on Hubble. A whole fleet of observatories is turning its attention to 3i-ATLAS, the James Webb Space Telescope, with its powerful infrared capabilities, will help us analyze the chemical makeup of the gas and dust, telling us what this comet is truly made of. Other missions like TESS and the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory will also contribute valuable data. It's a massive collaborative effort to learn as much as we can from this fleeting visitor. Each piece of information helps us build a better understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve across the galaxy. What's next for 3i, Atlas? For those of you with telescopes, you might still have a chance to see it. It should remain visible from Earth through September. After that, its trajectory will take it too close to the Sun from our point of view, making it impossible to observe. But don't worry, it will reappear on the other side of the Sun by early December, continuing its journey back out into the interstellar void, never to return. The study of these interstellar interlopers is more than just an academic exercise. They are messengers from distant stars, carrying clues about the conditions in other solar systems. By studying them, we learn more about the diversity of the cosmos and ultimately our own place within it. Each new visitor refines our understanding and opens up new questions. Are these comets common? Do they carry the building blocks of life between stars? The story of 3i Atlas is just beginning, and it's a thrilling chapter in our ongoing exploration of the universe. Thank you so much for joining us on this cosmic journey today. It's incredible to think about the vast, dynamic universe out there, occasionally sending us these amazing visitors to study. What do you think we'll learn from 3i Atlas? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest space discoveries, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.